Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change command prompt background color in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change command prompt background color on Windows 11 computer, in search type CMD. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. Right click on command prompt title bar and click on properties. You will find here color. Now you have to select skin background, and now you can select color from here. I'm going to select red. Now click on OK. Look, command prompt background color has been changed. If you do not find changes, just close command prompt and open command prompt again. And look, the command prompt background color has been changed on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.